Hello everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make slow cooker honey garlic steak bites. This is very easy. You're going to need your crock pot, beef tips or like some stew beef chunks, minced garlic, honey, ketchup, soy sauce, and cornstarch. There are other ingredients you can add, other spices, and make this recipe your own. This is delicious, and at the end I'm going to serve mine over rice and broccoli and have a beef and broccoli rice bowl. It's delicious. Let's get started. I have my crock pot sprayed with non-stick cooking spray, and the first thing you're going to do is add your meat. Once that's done, we're going to start little by little adding our other ingredients. You're going to need a half of a cup of the soy sauce, honey, and ketchup. So we're going to start out with that. Half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of honey. Some of mine is crystallized, but that's not going to matter. Once the heat hits it, it's all going to melt down. I need 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add a little bit extra because we really like garlic. The last and final ingredient that you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to help your sauce thicken. You can add more if you'd like a thicker sauce. This sauce honestly is still going to be a little thin, but I'm okay with that because I kind of want it to all mix in with the rice. If you want a thicker sauce and you're not going to eat it the exact same way that I'm going to share, then maybe you want more cornstarch. And if you add too much cornstarch, you can always add a little water to counteract that. Just a side note, mix all of your ingredients together. This is so delicious, you guys. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe. Turn your crock pot on low, and you're going to forget about this for 4 to 6 hours on low. If you want to cook this on high, you would only cook this for about 3 hours. Here we are about 4 hours later, and mine is looking like a very thin glaze, which is what I wanted. Meat chunks are done. So we have honey glazed meat, the beef rice, and broccoli to go with that. I'm going to piece together my bowl and share with you what it looks like in the end. Here is what the broccoli bowl looks like. I will mix all of this together, and you can drizzle some more of this sauce on top here, and it's fantastic. So easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. We'll try it out for yourselves, and stay tuned for more In the Kitchen videos. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional In the Kitchen links. And thank you so very much for watching.